Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I want to be talking about retinol and anti-aging and how you can use retinol in your nighttime skincare routine in order to get rid of those fine lines, wrinkles, sag skin and dull skin. And I will also be sharing my nighttime skincare routine with you all. And guys, it has been quite some time and I'm very keen to look out for the product which can make my skin youthful and glowing through the growing years. Now guys, retinol is a form of vitamin A which has become widely popular because of its anti-aging effects. It helps in reducing the signs of aging, fine lines and wrinkles that you have on your skin. You can use retinol based face serum, face cream, night moisturizer in your daily skin routine to boost the production of collagen in your skin. So guys, I have added retinol in my skincare routine, and the serum that I'm using these days is gonna be OZiva Youth Elixir Anti-Aging Face Serum, which is combination of tiar, rose and phytoretinol, which works on your skin by making it more youthful and glowing. It helps in reducing the early signs of aging and fine lines and wrinkles that you have on your face. And guys, this product helps in boosting the collagen production in your skin because once you hit 20s, it keeps reducing 1% every year. So that is the reason you get early signs of aging like those fine lines, wrinkles and the sagging skin. And this Youth Elixir Anti-Aging Face Serum provides that collagen boost to your skin which makes your skin youthful and glowing. Regular use of this product can help in reducing your wrinkles by 50% guys, and it is gonna increase the tightness and smoothness of your skin by 2 times. And my skin has never felt this good guys. I'm able to see some visible changes since I started using this clean plant-based product from OZiva. Texture of this product is very lightweight guys. It gets absorbed in your skin very quickly and I love this beautiful mild fragrance that it has. Now guys, you should be very careful what you layer on the skin after using a retinol based product because retinol is a very active ingredient. You cannot layer it up with vitamin C, benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, lactic acid. So I've been using this night gel from OZiva, and this is gonna be the Youth Elixir Anti-Aging Moisturizing Cream. It is not gonna be causing any irritation or harmful effect on your skin when you layer it up with the serum. And these creams work best when used with this retinol based OZiva's anti-aging youth elixir face serum. It is gonna be the best night gel to use after applying a retinol based serum because it doesn't cause any irritation to the skin and it helps in boosting the collagen production, which thereby helps in giving you tight, glowing, beautiful skin. And guys, I am able to see some visible changes on my skin since the time I have started using OZiva's Youth Elixir Anti-Aging Face Serum and this night gel. So yes, it has definitely made my skin youthful. It has improved the skin elasticity and definitely has improved my complexion. So guys, if you're looking for products which helps in reducing the fine lines and wrinkles you have on your face, and if you want to get that collagen boost, these are going to be the right products for you. These products are completely free from parabens, silicons and harmful chemicals. These are completely plant-based products which are absolutely safe to use guys, and you have nothing to worry about. So make sure that you check these out and you're not gonna be disappointed guys. I will make sure that I give the products links in the description box below. So if you want to get beautiful, glowing and youthful skin just like I did, so make sure that you check out the links that I'm gonna be giving in the description box below. And I hope you like this video guys. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care, bye bye. I love you all so much.